Here are my annual reflections for the Esri User Conference 2025 edition. First of all, it was fun. What's not to love when you've got dog meets GIS graphics all over the wall and cool swag like this? There's a map for that. I was very pleased to see one of my books on display in the merchandise store. But look at this. There's something for everyone. Technical workshops, map gallery, user group meetings, regional group meetings, thematic group meetings, the huge expo hall, the map gallery, and other joint events. We had our education summit, as we always do. We had about 450 educators there from primary, secondary, university, technical, tribal, community college, and other people supporting education. And there were other co-events also, the executive summit, the science event, etc. So a summary of my first point is there's something for everyone at the UC. I always tell people, go to the user conference once in your lifetime. I know it's a sacrifice to get there. It's not cheap. It's totally worth it. Just attend one time. You will be so inspired. The Habitat for Humanity people are there. The Jane Goodall Elephant Foundation, your local fire district. People making a better, more sustainable, more equitable, more resilient world. You'll be very inspired. Geography is a central theme there, as you can see in some of these slides, and there's no shortage of good people from all over the planet that you can meet, and here's a few of them right here. Second thing that stood out for me this year, it is very clear that geospatial technology continues to advance throughout multiple disciplines: economics, history, language arts, public safety, natural hazards, natural resource management, city planning, statistics, mathematics, you name it, from archaeology to zoology and every field in between. Public health, there's no field that doesn't ask the whys of where question, and hence, geospatial technology is proving to be an essential tool to solve problems. Here's me and some of those wonderful students. Here's some 4-H students that we had at our education summit and also at the user conference. Professors, people making a positive difference. I always walk from the San Diego airport to the conference. Here's me walking. There's only one way out of the airport if you're a pedestrian. So it's a spatial challenge for myself. You can get a job. You can network with people. You can increase your own skills at the user conference to be better at what you do or learn something new. Here's me wearing my blue shoes. Also, I'm going to say that the number 3 thing that stood out this year was the online data services is really here to stay, and it's wonderful and it's viable. Having data services. Also, the merging between CAD, BIM, and GIS continues to expand and excite me. You got the interior space people mapping and the exterior space mapping. That is amazing that you can make those interoperable. The partners, organizations, the whole community of GIS, they are all committed. Diverse group of people, everything from public safety to natural hazards to planetary GIS, lots of different backgrounds, but they're all united in let's make a better world. So that community is very, very vibrant. It's very strong. And I am very confident that these people are, in fact, the change agents that we need in our planet. Lastly, on an artificial intelligence or AI note, those tools are rapidly transforming how people interact with GIS, with lots of implications that I'm talking about in my other videos for the future of how we teach, how we learn, how we use GIS in the future. Extracting things automatically from imagery, creating surveys, creating code to make our workflows more efficient in our cities, in our nonprofits, in our academic organizations, etc. It's rapidly transforming GIS itself. Those are my 7 items that I wanted to share with you. Fun, something for everyone, more and more disciplines, online data services, CAD, BIM, GIS, partners, the organization, the community, AI, and I'm just going to add the 7th one here. There's an increasing awareness that these problems in our world need to be solved from local to global scale, and GIS is a key tool to help us to do just that. So the awareness is definitely there, not just in the GIS community, but beyond. Thanks.